Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And remember, we were talking about attacks to AI models. Last week we introduced model poisoning, straightforward attack and quite easy to understand. So today we are discussing model inversion attacks. These attacks are not that easy to understand or not that straightforward, but they can be pretty effective. So let's dive into what they are and how they work, and let's have a look on a real world example. Imagine a social media platform that uses an AI model to tag and categorize user uploaded photos. This AI model has been trained on a large dataset of user photos, including various personal and private images. Now, as always, let's introduce our antagonist, the bad guy. A malicious actor who wants to extract and manipulate sensitive images from this AI model. They perform what it is known as a model inversion attack. And this works with healthcare data and many other things. This is just one example. A model inversion attack allows the attacker to reverse engineer the model's output to infer sensitive information about the individuals in the training data. So here's how it works. Step 1. Access to the model. The attacker gains access to the AI model either by exploiting vulnerabilities in the system or by obtaining a copy of the model through other means. This could involve hacking into the system or exploiting poorly secured APIs. This is a more, conventional attack phase using typical hacking techniques. Good old cybersecurity stuff. Step 2. Query the model. The attacker starts making queries to the AI model, feeding it various inputs and recording the output. For instance, they might input different facial features or image characteristics and observe the model's responses. Step 3. Analyzing the output. By systematically analyzing the output, the attacker identifies patterns and correlations in the model's predictions. For example, if certain facial features consistently lead to specific tags or classifications, the attacker can infer details about the photos in the training data. Step 4. Reconstructing images. Using these patterns, the attacker can reconstruct images of individuals from the training data. For instance, they might be able to generate a rough approximation of a user's face based on the tags and classifications returned by the model. Step 5. Manipulating the images. With the reconstructed images, the attacker can manipulate the photos to create deepfakes or other misleading content. This manipulated content can then be used for malicious purposes such as blackmail, misinformation, or defamation. So what are the consequences of such an attack? Well, first, privacy breaches. Sensitive personal images are exposed, violating user confidentiality, and this can lead to private photos being revealed without the individual's consent. Well, second, trust erosion. Users lost trust in social media platforms that can't protect their data. This can have long-term implications for user engagement and platform reputation. And third, legal repercussions. Organizations face legal actions and penalties for failing to safeguard sensitive information. This can result in significant financial and reputational damage. Okay, how can we defend against these attacks? Just some ideas. Differential privacy. Remember this? Incorporate techniques that add noise to the data, making it harder for attackers to extract precise information. This ensures that individual data points are obfuscated while still allowing the model to make accurate prediction. Access control. That's such a terrible thing, Everybody's talking about access control. Implement strict access control to limit who can interact with the model and how. Not open for everyone. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive models and data. Authorized, not everyone in your company. Regular audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities in the AI system. This involves continuously monitoring and updating security measures to protect against emerging threats. Well, there you have it. Model inversion attacks are a serious threat, but with the right defense, we can protect sensitive information. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more insights into AI and cybersecurity, and thanks for watching.